Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my studio. It is day 3 of the 7-day challenge. Today, no diamond painting. Sorry if you tuned in for diamond painting. No, I'm going to do something I haven't done in, I don't know, a few weeks, several weeks. Sticker by number. I'll show you the front of the book. This is actually the Christmas edition. It is called Brain Games, sticker by number, and you can get this off of Amazon. I will try to put the link down in the description. I don't know if this is still available, but Brain Games has a large variety of different books. Some are sticker by number. Just look up Brain Games. You might find something else that you like other than sticker by number because they have like I said, a really wide variety of things to do. Now, a lot of people find this particular craft to be very relaxing. It's, obviously you're going to put this down by number. The stickers are kind of small. I've done this on my Craft With Me Wednesdays a few times. And these actually came from a couple of different pages. Look at the pretty colors. There's the eye. What do you think it is? It's pretty obvious what it is. But I also have my Rachel from Treasure Studios Arts blunt tweezers that I can use to get the stickers. Sometimes it helps to have tweezers to put the stickers on correctly. So I'm actually going to, we'll see how long this takes. If I need to speed up the video, I will. I will probably put some music in here. So I'd like this to kind of be a mindfulness exercise. And by mindfulness, I mean take this time to breathe, listen to the music, take some deep breaths, into your chest, out through your mouth. Think about your day. Think about how you're going to go about your day. If you have a video you have to upload, give it some thought. But just kind of let your mind wander free while you listen to the music. So I hope you enjoy.